Welcome to another video on how to add music to an Instagram feed post. Hey guys, I'm Ankim from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up Instagram application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this plus icon to add your picture. And once you've selected the picture, tap on next. If you want to put on some filters, you can choose the filters and again tap on next. Now once you're on this post editing page, click on add music, the fourth option. And now you can select a song or search for a specific song by typing down the name of the artist or the song in the search engine right here and tap on it to preview the song. Now once you're satisfied with the selection that you've made, click on the check mark at the upper right corner. And if you want to put on some captions to your post, you can simply type down the captions. And once you're done, click on the share at the upper right corner. And you'll be done. So that's how you can add music to your Instagram feed post. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great content. Thanks for watching.